Well, you made it. You managed to get to the end, and I hope you managed to stay awake and that you may have found it quite useful. If you are feeling raring to go with your newfound knowledge, you might like to have a go at extending this app by maybe adding a menu option to the contacts menu to display invoices. You could use a modal dialog pane with a list view or a XAML tile in to show the invoices. Both techniques are in the Getting Started course. So you might be able to copy and paste a bit of the code from there, but it'd be a bit of a challenge for you. Don't forget that projects and code are deployed using the projects option. If I go over here, look at these are all the bits of source code for your course, which you'll find attached to the bottom of this course. And you just need to import those. If you have forgotten how to do that, then skip to the end of the Getting Started course, and there's a little section on creating projects and importing them and so on like that. There are, if you've got any problems, then obviously reach out to your support desks or the forums. The Syspro forums customization forum is a really good one, and you'll get a response from there. If you've got any suggestions for the product, then please let us know. We've got great plans for it. This is only release 1. In fact, we've probably got more ideas now than we had when we first started. If you've got any neat bits of code or neat apps that you'd like to share with anybody, then pop them on the forum or contact me, and I'll distribute them around, or we'll find a way of letting people know what you've got. Thanks again, and I look forward to hearing from you all. Bye.